installation.
All right, vlog 2. We're going to charge some batteries. So today we're gonna go to a bunch of parks and I'm gonna fly around, take some pictures, and this is my cousin Carly. She's here to take some pictures as well. Looks like there's a nice shaded area we could set up here, and it's gonna be fun. I forgot to mention, here's a quick tip. Whenever you're traveling and you got a bunch of drone gear, only take the bare essentials. So as you can see, I consolidated everything into this little cinch sack. For all of this proximity playground flying, I'll be using my Cinewhoop and with the GoPro Hero 5 Session. I think that wraps this spot up. I also brought my brother and other cousin, and they don't like it here because it really smells like diaper. So on to the next spot. Alright, spot number 2, and we're back at the St. Teresa Shrine, but it's a back section that I didn't get in my first video, in a little shaded area again, because it's very, very hot out. And I'm thinking I could fly all back there and just around the area. There's a bunch of statues and some water, and it should look really nice. tried to fly it down this path. There must have been a failsafe or one of the ESCs failed, but I think it's just because of the heat. I didn't want to go past really this whole area with the water because I just didn't want to lose any equipment because we have one more spot to go. So I'm going to stick around a little bit longer, take some pictures, and then I'll meet you at the next location. Turns out we're going to 4 different places, and we're at the 3rd location. It's more of a pond, so I'm just gonna wait this one out and see if I could fly the 4th one. This last spot is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, and of course it has a nice spot in the shade. I'm gonna set up at this bench right here and take a look. And I'm done. It's a nice way to wrap up the day. It's still crazy hot. We're gonna go get something to eat, and thanks for watching. We're walking to the restaurant now, and there's Pokemon goers everywhere. They're just everywhere.